So if you watched the test drive of the 75 Pontiac, you may remember that my left turn signal was not working. The right was working, but the left was not. So I'm going to try and see if I can't figure out why that's not working. I talked to my automotive group, my friends who are in the business, and they tell me the first thing to check would be the bulbs themselves. So we're going to do that. I'm going to check and see if the left turn signal works on the back, and then we'll check it up on the front as well. We'll see if it lights up. It's only me, so I have to use the camera. So you're going to be my guides. You're going to tell me whether or not it's working or not. Here's the brakes. Right turn signal. Left turn signal. Lights. So let's see how that works. All right, I'm back. So the left turn signal did light up. It just didn't blink. So let's go check the front and see if that's where the problem is. Right turn signal. Left turn signal. Lights. So this one is not marking or not blinking. It does come on as a marker light, but it doesn't blink. So let's see if it's obviously a bad bulb. Is it a dual filament or is it two bulbs? We're going to find out here in a minute. Oh, look at the sawdust. Holy moly. Gotta clean that up. Alright, so it is a single bulb, which means dual filament. I'm guessing. Jesus. So normally I would use CRC to clean electrical connections. I don't have any today, and I'm trying to fix this today. So I'm using WD-40. Parts guy said this would work. It's the same number. There it is. Okay. All right, let's try this. Okay, we got the lights. And we have a blinker. All right. So this needs to be cleaned out eventually. But all this oil and dust is what is part of the undercoat process or the oil process that I did for years. And I'm not going to go in and do a big clean out on that because frankly, for what it's worth, it's all that oil that's kept this thing from rusting for the last 50 years. And I think for now I can live with this. So here's my ask. If you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We've got more work to do on this car because we need to pick through it in order to get this thing up to speed. This is something that, even though we don't have inspections in New Hampshire anymore, this is something that could have gotten me stopped by the cops because. So this is another easy one to fix and will help keep me out of trouble. Guys, I love you, and I will see you in a video coming up soon.